Hi guys, this is my first video ever and I'm like so happy. The reason why I have this here, if you want to know, is because I put on lipstick and it accidentally just like stained. How's Morrissey? It's my cat. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. She's camera shy. Oh, you camera shy. Alright. So, my first video ever. Oh my goodness, this is like so happy. I'm so excited. Like, if I mess up anything, please. I can't believe I'm making a video right now. Okay, so, what is that thing on my lip? Oh, that's lipstick, probably. I don't know. I put on lipstick today. I forgot about it. Okay, so I'm in my tent. Now, I'm going to try to make a bubble. I don't know where I'm going to set you. Let me think. Maybe I could... Oh. I'm going to put you up there. So this is my slime, and I'm going to make, like... satisfying noise today. This is called the satisfying video. Yeah, boom, boom. That's I don't know. Mom. She doesn't want me to video her. She's probably camera shy.
What?
This is my first video ever, and I'm really excited. So I forgot to say my name. My name is Sage Lily Moore. We are the S'mores. We used to make a YouTube channel, but until basically, we used to make a video, but then we stopped because my sister Sarah, she didn't want to make a video anymore, so we stopped making videos, and then I, like, literally just begged my mom and begged until she said yes. And now here I am, just making a video. It took us about a little while because it had to load. So yeah, if you guys want to make a video, beg your mom. So then my sister's just like, I wish we could make a video. And I'm like, we made a video before. But this was when basically I was in my mom's tummy, so we made a video. So, please like and subscribe to make me more videos. I have to do like a kind of short one today. I'm about to make a big boy. Eat deflated. Okay, so I have like 12 slimes and they're literally so cool. Wait, no, I have 13. Wait, no, 14 slimes. 14 slimes. So the reason what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you how to do ballet. So, if you can't do ballet at home, here's a reason why you need to do ballet. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, if you guys want to do the splits, here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to need something tall. Like this for so my animal stuffed. Put your leg up there and like straighten it. Like straighten your knee. Point your toe. Leave it there for like a couple of minutes. So just gonna wait. Waiting and waiting. I basically do know how to do this. Don't blame me. No. Okay, I was so scared. This is my first video ever doing ballet. So it's been a couple of minutes, so take your foot down and do the other side. Now make sure you have something to like hold on to if you have like too high or something. So me, I'm just doing like something really high, but I can actually put my leg a little bit higher, but I'm not going to do that because I'm afraid I'll break my leg again. But not break my leg again, just break my... I broke my arm before. It wasn't really that broken, but it hurt. So it's been a minute or two. I don't know how long it has been. Or just okay. So we had school today, and it was really boring. Until I'm like, I really want to make a YouTube channel. So I went back home and did all that stuff, and it was fun. And look what I did. I know, my bed is beautiful. This is my bed. It's gorgeous. I love my pillow. Bam. I have like a zebra sheet. A zebra sheet. Ooh. I'm supposed to do my makeup today. Stop spying on me. I'm not joking, I made it. Yeah. Okay, maybe I should play Among Us, but I don't want to because it's actually kind of boring. It won't work, but yeah. It's almost dinner time, but that's okay. What? I want to go up there and just video my brother. But, yeah. I'm making a video right now.
Okay.
Can I show you?
No.
Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. Nobody wants to show their face, except for me and Skylar, my sister. What? Hey, Mom. You want to show your face or not? Sam already said no.
Not today, but look at you.
I'm surprised about that. But it's sus. When my sister gets home, she's probably gonna go on YouTube and just like it. Why you been? Why? And next step, if you want to do the splits, you need to do this. Like spread your feet apart. And when it hurts, stop and just count to 10 very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, okay, that's it. This thing is like so annoying. Hold up. I need to get my Dr. Pepper. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla. I guess that didn't work. I think I just made my face worse than that's it. I'm just gonna roll it. Look at me. I shouldn't have done that.
I'm sorry, hang on, let me see. Are my lips red?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
I'm sorry about my lips. Hey, Salish. What's up? Okay, so Salish. If your name is Salish and you do like gymnastics and stuff, I watch your videos and I love them. And my name is Sage. So, yeah, my name is Sage. Okay, so, I have a cousin named Piper. Now, if any of you guys are watching this, you're basically, look at this, it's so good. Darling, find it, baby. There's literally 2, 4, 6. Ooh, there's 6 of me. I'm just kidding. There's 4 of me. Like 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's actually 3 of me. 3. Hold up. 3. 1, 2, 3 on the phone. What? Okay, so we're done with that. There's still a blister on my lip. I need skincare. What? Yeah. No. I need skincare. What? I need skincare. Or lotion. Yeah, let's go get lotion. Wait. My lip hurts. No! I can take my time. Is this lotion? This is like beautiful stuff. I love this stuff. Yeah.
I've never even used it.
Be quiet. I literally love it.
Yeah, but you never used it.
Okay.
This is your first time using it. You don't even know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing. I read the directions. Just gotta be quiet. Okay. So, no. I think this is also hair gel, but it also works for your skin. Okay, I gotta end the video because it's my first video ever, and we gotta go eat dinner. Bye.